Hi, this is wpholdercom, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can ask me for help by email in description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm trying my best and subscribing is easy and free for you. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do best checkout experience for your WooCommerce which sells digital products. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation or to support me. All information is in description area under this video. Okay, so once you install it WooCommerce, you configure it the digital products, some tutorials, some instructions, some courses, doesn't matter. Okay, and you want to sell it. Default checkout will show you fields like country, street address, town, which you don't need. Of course, you don't need country for your digital products. You just want to sell it and download it. User want to buy it and download it. Okay, cool. So best user experience is less fields, better user experience. Sounds easy. Yeah. Okay, to edit these fields, you need some plugin. I selected flexible checkout fields, but there are a lot which works all the same. Checkout fields. Let's take a look. So this one is good, this one is good, and this which we used. This one is good too. Okay, let's check how it works with this one. We already installed it. Go to plugins, click settings, and we see all our fields. So what we don't need for digital products: company name. Okay, no need country, no need street address, no. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just selecting on the field and click enable field checkbox to disable it. Disable. Okay. Town city. Remove. 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 Phone and email. No, probably you need one. So let's leave it. Let's check what other settings this will help. So you can change label, which is this title. You can change required or not. Let's go to advanced. Validation. Just don't touch it. Appearance. You can write your placeholder, which is here we have placeholder apartment suite, so you can write this text, which will be changes once the user will type. Okay, display on. Yeah, this doesn't need, and conditional logic is for advanced users and for pro plugin. Yeah, so no need to buy it. Okay, so let's click save and see how it works. Okay, looks good. We have additional information which we need to remove. Here we are shipping tab, order tab. Let's remove additional information. Okay, save. Cool. We removed field, but it's this plugin can't remove the title. So I probably can't recommend this plugin, but it may be cool if you know some CSS like me. So in my case, I will just go to the customize area, click inspect, and find the CSS title, and just write display non magic. Okay, save. So we have very easy checkout fields for clients, and you have all data to use for future marketing, like email, like phone, first name and last name. If you want, you can add some additional custom field, which will say something like, let's add it, click and add. Okay, we need to add label. So our additional custom fields, add, and let's make it not required, of course, I'll show you how it works with placeholder. Additional fields with additional and click save. Let's go to our checkout page. Doesn't work. Okay, it's here now. So we have our additional field, and here is our placeholder, which will change once user will type, like I'm typing here. Great, but to be true, I really would recommend you to keep something like that. The most simple, sorry. Oh, okay, it's refreshed. The more simple checkout you have, the more users you will, the more sales you will make. No one wants to fill 50 fields to buy just some online course or something like, I don't know, it makes me crazy every time you need to fill all these fields. So the less fields, the better user experience. In other videos on my channel, you can check how to set up PayPal, how to set up WooCommerce, how to set up products. Anyway, if you have questions or if this task makes you crazy, feel free to contact me by email under which is in description under this video. So I'm always happy to help for you. Sorry for my English, it's late and I'm a bit tired, but trying my best to help you. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It will be flashed for me. I will be very happy. We will jump from happiness. Thank you. If you want, you can leave some donation to support me. So thank you and have a good day. Thank you.